Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, we had seen the piece of advice which the writer wanted to give his son. And we had also seen he had told many of the things that some of the things that he committed mistakes, we can say, in his life. So, let's see. The more airs of childish self-importance you give yourself, you will only expose yourself. Means the way you behave with your friends and society, that way is just like a childish one. And that childish way of behaving will be exposed yourself to be the more thwarted and laughed at. And that is the way, because of that way your friends and society will be laughed at you if you do the same thing, or if you keep on doing the same things. Then definitely people, or particularly your friends, will laugh at you. True equality is the only true morality and true wisdom. Further, he stated that true equality is what? What is true equality? True equality means the true morality, or rather we can say true wisdom, ज्याला आपण समानता म्हणतो किंवा खरी समानता म्हणतो. तर that is the true equality is the true morality, or we can say the true wisdom. खरी समानता म्हणजेच खरी नैतिकता आहे, किंवा ज्याला म्हणू खरं शहाणपण आहे. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज दॅट you are but one among others, and you can hardly mistake your place in society. Further, he stated that remember one thing, or keep one thing in mind, that you are but one among others. You are a fellow, यू आर अ फेलो अमंग अदर्स. म्हणजे बाकीचे जसे लोक आहेत त्या लोकांपैकीच तू एक मुलगा आहे, ही गोष्ट लक्षात ठेव. म्हणजे तुला काही वेगळं ट्रीटमेंट मिळणार नाही, किंवा तुझ्या सोबत वेगळ्या पद्धतीनं बिहेव करण्यात येणार नाही. सो कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड, दॅट यू आर बट वन अमंग अदर्स, and you can hardly mistake your place in society. And if you behave uh, good with your friends, then definitely you cannot mistake your place in society. In your father's house you might do as you pleased. Further, he stated that in your father's house you might do as you pleased. In the world you will find competitors at every turn. And as far as the house of your father is concerned, as far as the house of your father is concerned, you might do as you please, you might do as you happy. म्हणजे तुझ्या वडिलांच्या घरामध्ये किंवा तुझ्या स्वतःच्या घरामध्ये तुला ज्या ज्या गोष्टी आनंद देतात त्या त्या गोष्टी तू केल्या असतील. यू माइट डू ॲज यू प्लीज. ज्या गोष्टीमुळे तुला आनंद मिळत असेल त्या गोष्टी तू केल्या असतील. In the world, but as far as the outside world is concerned, you will find competitors at every turn. परंतु बाह्य जगामध्ये जेव्हा तू पाऊल ठेवतो, when you keep your first step in the outside world, at that time you will find competitors at every step, at every turn. And in your father's house you can behave according to your happiness, according to your pleasure. तुझ्या वडिलांच्या घरामध्ये तू आनंदाने राहू शकतो, तुला ज्या गोष्टी वाटतात त्या गोष्टी करू शकतो. परंतु जेव्हा तू बाह्य जगामध्ये पाऊल ठेवतो तेव्हा मात्र तुला प्रत्येक स्टेपला, प्रत्येक पावलावर कॉम्पिटिटर्स मिळतील, असा मोलाचा सल्ला लेखक स्वतःच्या मुलाला या लेटरमधून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, किंबहुना देतात. You are not born a king's son to destroy or dictate to millions. Further, he stated that means when you keep your first step into the outside world, at that time you will find competitors at every turn, because you are not born a king's son to destroy or dictate to millions. Karan, you are not a king's son, or you are not born a king's son to destroy or dictate to millions. म्हणजे तू काही एखाद्या राजाचा मुलगा नाही जेणेकरून तू काय कशाची नासधूस करशील किंवा लोकांना डिक्टेट करण्यासाठी, लोकांना आज्ञा देण्यासाठी, किंबहुना हुकूम देण्यासाठी, अब्जावधी लोकांना हुकूम देण्यासाठी तू काही राजाचा मुलगा नाही आहेस, असं लेखक स्वतःच्या मुलाला येथे सांगतात. यू कॅन ओनली एक्सपेक्ट टू शेअर देअर फेट or settle your differences amicably with them. Amicably means lovingly, premane. Further, he stated that you can only expect to share their fate. Expect to share their fate means you only expect the things. Whatever fate they share, they means your friends share, you can only expect their fate. Or settle your differences amicably with them, or whatever differences are there between you and your friends, among you and your friends, you can set those differences amicably, or rather we can say happily. Whatever differences may be there, you can just settle those differences amicably. You already find it so at school, and I wish you to be reconciled to your situation as soon and with as little as pain. Further, he stated that whatever experiences he took at what I can say school, all those experiences he will also find into the outside world. He will also get into the outside world, and that's why the writer told his son that you are not the king's son to destroy or dictate to millions. You can only expect the things, or you can only expect whatever fate they share, or we can say you can only just settle your differences amicably with them. You already find it so at school, and you have already found those things at when you are at school, and I wish you to be reconciled to your situation as soon and with as little pain as you can. And whatever things you experienced at school or you will experience in the outside world, you should reconcile your situation, or we can say all those things you must reconcile as soon, so that there will not be any pain to you. म्हणजे ज्या काही गोष्टी बाह्य जगामध्ये तुझ्यासोबत घडतील किंवा ज्या काही गोष्टी स्कूलमध्ये तुझ्यासोबत घडलेल्या असतील, त्या सर्व गोष्टींसोबत तू जर सेटल करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, स्वतःला त्या सर्व गोष्टी रिकन्सिल ऍक्सेप्ट करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, तर निश्चितच त्या सर्व गोष्टी सेटल होतील. अदरवाईज दोज थिंग्स विल गिव्ह लिटिल पेन टू यू. आणि जर इफ you do not want to settle with those things, you do not want to just reconcile with those things, then those things will definitely pain you, or those things will give a little pain to you. थोडा म्हणजे जर तू ती सिच्युएशन ऍक्सेप्ट करण्याचा प्रयत्न नाही केला, त्या गोष्टींसोबत जुळवून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न नाही केला, तर निश्चितपणे मग तुला थोडा त्रास होण्याचा किंवा थोडा यातना होण्याचे चान्सेस आहे. म्हणून व्हॉट एव्हर सिच्युएशन देअर मे बी, यू शुड रिकन्सिल, यू शुड ऍक्सेप्ट दॅट सिच्युएशन अँड ऍक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. आणि तशा पद्धतीनं आपण वागलं पाहिजे, असा मोलाचा सल्ला ते वडील स्वतःच्या मुलाला देतात. इट वॉज माय मिसफॉर्च्यून परहॅप्स टू बी ब्रेड अप. टू ब्रेड अप मीन्स ब्रिंग अप, पालन पोषण होणे. इट वॉज माय मिसफॉर्च्यून म्हणजे दुर्भाग्य, परहॅप्स टू बी ब्रेड अप among dissenters who look with too jaundiced means here prejudice, jaundiced an eye at others, and set too high a value on their own peculiar pretensions. Peculiar means विचित्र, strange, आणि pretensions means एखादी गोष्ट भासवणे, ज्याला म्हणतो आपण ढोंग करणे. So further he stated that means it was really my misfortune that I bred up among dissenters. Dissenters means the Christian community, particularly the Christian community who used to live during restoration period. So that was the misfortune of the writer, because writer brought up, or we can say bred up, among those dissenters during the Restoration period. And because their view or their attitude to look towards the outside world just like a prejudiced way, and set too high a value on their own peculiar pretensions. Whatever pretensions were in their mind, they just set too high a value on their only pretensions. जे काही त्यांना वाटायचं त्या पद्धतीनं प्रत्येक गोष्टीची ती किंमत करत असायचे, और they just set value in that way. From being proscribed themselves, they learn to proscribe others and come in the end to reduce म्हणजे कमी करणे, all integrity means एकाग्रता of principle and soundness of opinion. Principle means तत्व, opinions म्हणजे मत, within the pale of their own little communion means community. So further he stated that prescribed means what here, to command against something, कोणाला कशाच्या तरी विरुद्ध आज्ञा देणे. Then the soundness, the quality of being prudent means हुशार, and within the pale means within the boundaries. So further he stated in this letter that from being proscribed themselves means to just show their attitude against something. Just a minute, let me admit some students are there. Okay, fine. From being proscribed themselves, they learn to proscribe others. Suppose they have been commanded from their superiors, they learn to proscribe others. Means among the dissenters, the writer has been brought up the attitude of those dissenters, or the attitude of those people were so that from being proscribed themselves, जेव्हा त्यांना कोणाकडून तरी आज्ञा मिळत असायच्या, they learn to proscribe others. They learn from those command, they used to learn to proscribe others and come in the end to reduce all integrity. And in this way they come to an end to reduce whatever integrity of principle they have and soundness of opinion within the pale of their own little communion. Within the pale means within the boundaries. So in this way they learn from those Christian community, or not particularly that Christian community, rather we can say from the people during the Restoration period, those who were out of it and did not belong to the class of rational dissenters, and the people who were out of it and if they did not belong to the class of rational dissenters, I was led erroneously means चुकीच्या पद्धतीने, I was led erroneously to look upon as hardly deserving the name of rational being. And because of the erroneous or the mistake of the writer was to look upon as hardly deserving the name of rational beings, being thus satisfied as to the select few who are the salt of the earth. Salt of the earth means a person or group of people of great kindness. The people or a group of person who shows kindness. So further he stated that being thus satisfied as to the select few who are the salt of the earth, it is easy to persuade ourselves that we are at the head of them. And there were some people in that era also, they shows kindness or the sort of pity towards the people, and they it is quite easy for the writer to persuade ourselves that we are at the head of them and to fancy ourselves of more importance in the scale of true desert than all the rest of the world put together. Here desert means here that which is deserved or merited, the person who deserved or merited. And further he stated that to fancy ourselves of more importance in the scale of true desert than all the rest of the world put together. And they have the deserters, or some of the people have merit also, or we can say the wisdom also, who do not interpret a certain text of scripture. Scriptures means a pavitra dharma grantha in the same manner that we have been taught to do. Means they do not interpret the certain text or whatever text that may be, they do not interpret the text of scripture in the same manner that we have been taught to do. Means we have been taught to interpret the text, but the people who lived during the restoration period, and particularly the dissenters, among whom the writer was bred up, those people were what I can say, do not interpret a text of scripture in the same manner, just like we have been taught to do. You will, from the difference of education, you will be free from this bigotry. Bigotry means त्याला म्हणतो आपण एक एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दलचं चुकीचं मत, आपलं प्रिज्युडाइस म्हणजे पूर्वग्रह दूषित. पुन्हा you will be free from this bigotry, whatever bigotry you have in mind, then you will be free from that bigotry or from that prejudice, and will, I hope, avoid everything akin, and you will also avoid everything akin to the same exclusive means here soul, and narrow-minded spirit. Means whatever narrow mind we have in our mind, means we can avoid all those things from our narrow mind. Think that the minds of men are various as their faces. Further, he stated, or he wants to give some more suggestions to his son, and that's why he asked his son to think that the minds of men are various as their faces. म्हणजे या गोष्टीचा सुद्धा तू विचार कर की या जगामध्ये जेवढे माणसं आहेत, म्हणजे जसे माणसांचे चेहरे वेगवेगळे आहेत, तसेच त्यांचे विचार सुद्धा वेगवेगळे आहेत. त्यांचे देअर माइंड्स आर ऑल्सो व्हेरियस. that the modes and employments of life are numberless, and the way of their lives, or we can say the modes of their lives as well as the employments of their lives are really numberless. म्हणजे त्यांच्या जीवन जगण्याच्या पद्धती म्हणा, त्यांच्या काम करण्याच्या पद्धती म्हणा, ह्या सगळ्या all the modes and employments are numberless as they are necessary. Because those modes and those employments are necessary, the faces of human beings are different. In the same way, the minds of men are also different, or we can say various, just like the modes and employments of life. That there is more than one class of merit, but still there is one class of merit is there, that though others may be wrong in some things, and other people or the different people may be wrong in some things, काही लोक काही गोष्टींमध्ये कदाचित चुकीचेही वागत असतील किंवा त्यांच्या चुकाही होत असतील. They are not so in all, but it doesn't mean that if some people may be wrong in some things, but it doesn't mean that they are not so in all. Parantu they are not wrong in all the things. It doesn't mean that. And the countless races of men, countless means numberless, many in numbers, and the countless races of men, races means here prajat, and the countless races of men have been born. There are countless races of men on this earth have been born, and they not only have born but have lived and died without ever hearing of any of those points in which you take a just pride and pleasure. And they have not only born on this earth, but they have lived their lives and they have also died, and without hearing any of those points, or without hearing or without doing any of those points, in that point you used to take a pride, or we can say a pleasure. परंतु त्यांनी त्यांचं आयुष्य जगलं, त्यांनी जन्म घेतला, आयुष्य जगलं, एवढंच नाही तर इथे असे कितीतरी लोकांचा इथं जन्म झालेला आहे, ते त्यांनी स्वतःचं जीवन जगलेलं आहे. किंबहुना लोक मरण पावलेले आहे. बट दे डू नॉट हिअर एनी ऑफ दोज थिंग्स और एनी ऑफ दोज पॉइंट्स, that those points you take just pride and pleasure from those points. म्हणजे तुझ्या मताप्रमाणे ज्या गोष्टीचा तुला अभिमान वाटत होता किंवा ज्या गोष्टीतून तुला आनंद मिळत होता त्या सर्व गोष्टी इथे म्हणजे लोकांनी या पृथ्वीवर जन्म घेतलेला आहे, संपूर्ण आयुष्य इथं घालवलेलं आहे, इथं कितीतरी लोक आलेले आहे आणि म्हणजे आयुष्य जगल्यानंतर मरण सुद्धा पावलेले आहे. परंतु बरेचसे लोक इथं असे आहे किंवा मॅक्सिमम लोक असे आहेत ज्यांना तुला ज्या गोष्टीमध्ये अभिमान वाटत असायचा किंवा आनंद घ्यायचा अशा गोष्टीकडे त्यांनी लक्षही दिलं नाही किंवा अशा गोष्टींबद्दल त्यांनी ऐकलं सुद्धा नाही. अँड यू विल नॉट एरर ऑन द साइड ऑफ दॅट स्पिरिच्युअल प्राईड और इंटेलेक्चुअल coxcombry which has been so often the bane of the studious and learned. Coxcombry means here false pride म्हणजे चुकीचा अभिमान, and bane means here causing something, causing misery or death. So in the end writer wanted to tell his son that you will not err on the side of that spiritual pride. म्हणजे whatever spiritual pride was there or intellectual coxcombry was there which has been so often the bane of the studious and learned. म्हणजे ज्या गोष्टीतून आपल्याला आपला स्वतःचा अभिमान वाटायला लागतो किंबहुना इगो असतो किंवा ज्या गोष्टीतून आपण आनंद घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो त्या सर्व गोष्टी म्हणजे ज्याला म्हणू आपण दॅट इज बेन फॉर द स्टडीयस अँड लर्नेड. म्हणजे अशा गोष्टी ज्या असतात ते लर्नेड आणि स्टडीयस माणसासाठी, अभ्यासू माणसासाठी किंवा सुशिक्षित माणसासाठी त्या गोष्टी दुःखाचं कारण ठरू शकतात असं लेखकांना इथं सांगायचं आहे. अशा पद्धतीचं लेटर त्यांनी आपल्या मुलाला लिहिलेलं आहे. आपला लेसन इथं संपलेला आहे. आय होप दॅट यू ऑल हॅव अंडरस्टूड धिस लेसन. थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी पेशंटली.